carrots that we slice. Here are some cucumbers that we slice. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of salt. Now we're gonna leave it for a while. From the cucumber. We're gonna start cooking! We have some oil. We're going to fry the onion, ginger, and dry chilies first. Now we're going to pour in the dry shrimps and garlic. Sprinkle some turmeric powder. Now we're going to pour in the rice vinegar. We add some sugar. After we adjust the salt, rice vinegar, and sugar, we turn off the fire. These are the jalapeno peppers. We remove the seeds away. Now we're gonna pour in the carrots. Put in the cucumbers. Now we pour in the spring onions. Now we're gonna pour in the toasted sesame seeds. Now we're gonna give it all a good mix. These are the pickles that we made. Let's try it. It tastes so good. We have more videos in my channel. Don't forget to check it out. Bye bye.